You know that feeling at the end of a long, hot day? You know, your underwear is damp, it's clinging, and the waistband has left a dent, on your side. That's the problem that these are built to fix. So I'm gonna go over the David ARCHY men's boxer briefs. I'll cover the key features, show you the waistband and the fly up close, and tell you who these are actually for. Okay, so these are a men's boxer briefs that come in a 4-pack. They're made from a bamboo rayon blend, and they've got a 6.5-inch inseam, a functional fly, and a moisture wicking waistband. Okay, so here are the boxers. So the first thing you notice is the material, the bamboo rayon blend, and it's really soft. Have a closer look at it here. Look at the texture. Give it a good stretch so you can see as well. So, I mean, this is really softer than you would expect for underwear, and it feels closer to something, you'd pick up at, a nicer men's store than a basic value pack, which is really nice. Okay, so some of the features here. So this is the headline feature, the waistband. This is an anti-twist, one-way moisture wicking band. And that moisture wicking is built into the fibers of it, not just, sprayed on as a surface finish. So what that means is it pulls sweat away from your skin and out. So instead of holding it against you. So you stay dry, right, where, most underwear gets damp first. So a closer look at the waistband as well, stretchiness of it as also. So why this matters, in my experience, this is the spot that gets clammy on a hot day, and this stays dry even when it's 85 degrees out. And the band's also thick enough that it doesn't roll over or fold down, and it's not so tight that it leaves marks or pinches after a long day. I mean, which is really the whole point, all day comfort without that denting waistband feeling. And the other feature is the bamboo rayon blend. It's a 47-47-6 mix with a little stretch woven in. And what that means is it's a fabric that's light, breathable, and dries fast. It wicks moisture and moves air, and you're not sitting in heat. So it stays cool and it holds its shape and stays opaque after washing so they don't go thin or saggy on you. Okay, next great feature is the contoured supportive pouch here, plus a functional fly. So the pouch keeps everything in place. As you can see, a nice pouch. And the fly, of course, your standard fly. It's a pretty big hole as well. It isn't just some slit. It's kind of just really easy to take off, and it's not just some like slit. It's a pretty big, spacious, and just easy to adjust. And this also has 4 needle stitching at the key stress areas. So this means that spots that usually blow out first, on cheaper underwear are reinforced, so the seams hold and the shape stays put. So, after a bunch of washes, there's no sagging, no lost stretch, and no holes opening up. They come out of the wash, looking the same as, they went in. And also what's nice is just how thin the material is. There's zero bunching and the legs stay, where they're supposed to. That's another great thing. I wouldn't say this is like skin tight underwear. It's like kind of in between skin tight underwear, that like second skin underwear and I guess normal underwear. But it feels like it has a lot of the benefits of that kind of second skin underwear, with being a little bit thicker, just a little bit thicker. Okay, so on the plus side, these are genuinely soft, the moisture wicking actually works, the waistband doesn't dig in, and they hold up well in the wash. One thing to keep in mind, though, these do run a little bit looser and roomier than a compression style boxer brief. If you're used to that snug, second skin fit, these are, more of a relaxed cut, so they won't feel as tight. They also run a touch large, so it's worth checking the size chart against your waist rather than just grabbing, your usual size. So who should get these? So if you run hot or you sweat a lot, especially in summer or warm climates, the one-way moisture wicking waistband and breathable bamboo blend pulls sweat away instead of holding it against you. So you stay dry, where it usually gets clammy first. And if you're on your feet all day or you travel a lot, the 6.5-inch inseam means no constant readjusting and no riding up through a long day. And honestly, if you're, a briefs guy who's tried boxer briefs before and hated how they bunch, and creep up, these don't ride up or bunch. The usual deal breakers are just gone, which is what tends to win people over here. So who these are not for, if you specifically want, the tight compression, second skin feel, these are more roomier, more relaxed cuts, so you'd probably want something, more fitted instead. So the bottom line here, these are a more premium everyday boxer brief that gets the comfort stuff right, soft fabric, a waistband that stays dry and doesn't dig in, and a fit that stays put without bunching. So in my opinion, these are definitely worth checking out.